Farmer stir intensifies, as you can see in these pictures. Every minute, a couple of these tear gas canisters are being fired at the farmers. This is what we've seen in these live pictures that you can see on your screens right now, coming in from Ambala in Haryana. Absolute chaos that's playing out at the border, where the farmers were trying to make an attempt to move to the national capital, but their attempt has been foiled by the authorities. The demands continue to be minimum support price, justice for the victims of Lakhimpur Kheri, like my colleagues have been telling us. We have, in fact, Anmol Bali, Aseem Basti, getting in more details on that big story from the Shambhu border. Aman Bhardwaj also continues to be with us at this point in time. I'll go back now to Aman Bhardwaj, if you can hear me, Aman. These pictures speaking volumes of the absolute mayhem that's playing out really at the border. Just do give us an idea about what is the government now saying? What are the farmers indicating about any kind of outreach that has been made as well?
Gas and slow gas that's been parked on the other side of Haryana. So you see, farmers are just preparing to defend themselves to the tear gas, and they're using what? Using the wet cloth to put on the balls that's been fired. And you can see the farmers that were moved, 101 farmers, they are still present there, and again and again farmers. So Delhi also educate, and this BNS 163 section being implemented by the district magistrate in Ambala. So you can see the situation here again and again, time and time again. The tear gas is being fired, and you can see on that shed where police personnel are present, they are taking in, and tear gas is being fired from there. And are just preparing themselves to defend, and they get back when the tear gas is being fired.
Aman Bhardwaj getting in those details. We'll keep coming back to you, Aman, to Anmol, and to also to Aseem Basti getting in those details from the Shambhu border that is in Ambala in Haryana, where the farmers essentially were stopped from moving forward to the national capital. They've been tear gas, this utter mayhem that's playing out. Farmers from Punjab are marching towards Delhi. At least an attempt was being made. Hundreds of them from Punjab, Haryana, staging a protest, the Delhi Chalo March against the central government. Heading towards the national capital, farmers toppled barricades, broke barbed wires, sharp nails put up by cops to stop the farmers. Cops had to use tear gas multiple times to disperse the farmers. Meanwhile, opposition has hit out at the Modi government for not meeting the farmers' demands. Opposition claims that BJP is anti-farmers and is forcing them to protest this way. However, Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said that the centre is doing everything possible for the farmers. Remember, they have demanded a legal guarantee to MSP for crops. They've also called for a debt waiver, pension for farmers, farm labourers, reinstatement of Land Acquisition Act, and no hike in electricity tariff.
हम जो मांगे रखी हैं अमान 13 फरवरी से, वो सभी सेंटर सरकार से रिलेटेड हैं। इसलिए हमें दिल्ली जाके बोलना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि हम जहाँ पे बैठे हैं 13 फरवरी से, तो अभी तक हमारा बात सुना नहीं गया है। तो हम अपनी बात रखने के लिए ही दिल्ली जाना चाह रहे हैं।
ये मार दें, गोली लगा देना, गोली चला देना। देखो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला के आंदोलनकारी तो आ सकते हैं। अभी तुर के जा रहे हैं, सानू कोई भी डर नहीं है। अज दो फोरमां ने फैसला किया आया वा कि अभी आपके हकों लई जे भारत के लोगों का चूल्हा बलता रह जाता वा तो अभी शहीद हो जाने, सानू कोई परवाह नहीं।
किसान का कल्याण हमारी प्रतिबद्धता है। लगातार एमएसपी बढ़ाने का काम अगर वो चाहे तो मैं पूरा रिकॉर्ड उपलब्ध करा सकता हूं, आंकड़े दे सकता हूं। हमने बढ़ाने का भी काम किया है, और जहां जरूरत है एमएसपी पर फसल खरीदने का भी हमने काम किया। मैंने आपको आंकड़े बताए हैं। आगे भी हम किसान के कल्याण में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
पंजाब के लोगों को घर बैठे हुए सर्विसेज मिले, इसके लिए ऑलरेडी सेवा केंद्र पंजाब में चल रहे हैं, जिससे लाखों लोगों को हर साल सर्विस दी जाती है। और जो बेसिक सर्विसेज हैं, चाहे वो इनकम सर्टिफिकेट हुआ, कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट हुआ, डेथ बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट हुए, इसमें पटवारी की रिपोर्ट होनी होती है।